Once you connect Gemini to Gmail, you can search your inbox, summarize emails, and get answers from your messages just by asking. Here's how to set it up. Open gemini.google.com. In the bottom left, click Settings and Help then Connected Apps. Find Google Workspace and turn it on. Follow any prompts that come up, and once it's connected, you'll see Gmail, Docs, Drive, Calendar, and more all listed underneath. Now switch over to Gmail, and you'll notice a Gemini icon has appeared in the top right corner, right next to the settings gear. That's Gemini sitting directly inside your inbox. To actually use that Gemini icon inside Gmail, you need to sign up for Google Workspace Labs. Go to workspace.google.com/labs, sign in with your Google account, check the box to enroll, and confirm. Once that's done, go back to Gmail, click the Gemini icon in the top right, and the Gemini panel opens right inside your inbox, ready to use. Just enter the prompt you want. Now, to use it on Gemini, go back to Gemini, in a new chat, type @ and select Gmail from the menu. This tells Gemini exactly which app to pull from. I'll ask, find my most recent unread emails and give me a quick summary of what each one is about. Hit send and wait a moment. Gemini goes into your inbox, finds the relevant emails, and summarizes what they're about, with links back to the actual messages so you can verify everything. A couple of things worth knowing. For every new conversation, you need to mention Gmail or email in your prompt. Gemini doesn't carry the connection over automatically to new chats. And if the connection isn't working, check your Gmail settings. Go to Settings, then see All Settings. And in General tab, make sure Smart Compose Personalization and Smart Features and are both turned on. That's the most common reason the connection fails. That's it. Settings, extensions, turn on Google Workspace, type @ and select Gmail. Ask your question. Your inbox is now searchable from Gemini. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.